back here through Carpenter, and Dunbar are going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
Fun and Bomber Futures on the racetrack. You got the 39 of Tyler Fuller. You got the T4 of Michael Simmons. To see what we're going to do getting off in turn 1 down here. Matthew Tucker in that 683. You got Tyler pulling that 39 all by himself. Matthew Tucker in the 683. T4. Oh! T4. Michael Simmons. Him and the 683 is trading paint all the way around this racetrack here tonight at the Lawrence County Speedway. Looky here, looky here. They still trading paint. I do believe the T4's got a flat tire. Oh, he got more than a flat tire. He got an A-frame broke, upper A-frame broke on the T4 of Michael Simmons. Carson Taylor in the 03 sitting third. Caution, caution, caution. Fist and go back green. 39 of Tyler Fuller. You got Matthew Tucker in that 683. How about the 03 of Carson Taylor? Oh, look at here, look at here. You got a race going back down the back stretch between the 39 and the 683. Woo, look at here, boy. They are racing them out for this lead. Pull what down? Oh, 03 of Carson Taylor loops it over in 1 and 2. I do believe his nose pit's got up under his right front wheel, causing him to loop it. Four laps of distance here to finish off this Thunder Bomber Future. Tyler Fuller in the 39. 01. Marion Ward. 175. Matthew. Josh McAbee. 03 Carson Taylor. 683, Matthew Tucker. Watch you. And a green flag in the air. Oh, one holds on to second. Matt 39 of Tyler Fuller has left the field. White flag in the air. One more lap. Tyler Fuller in that 39 is your Thunder Bomber future winner. $39 of Tyler Fuller. 175 of Josh McAbee. 03 of Carlson Taylor. And 683 of Matthew Tucker. 01 of Marion Ward. That is your top 5 cadets main event time.